Hey guys, welcome back to Wrenchology. Today I am showing you how to do a brake inspection and a wheel bearing inspection, as well as new seals and a wheel bearing pack on a 2001 Chevy S10 two-wheel drive. All of the specs and the tools that I use will be in the description box below. If you want to support the channel, please do so by subscribing to the channel. Give me a like if you like the video. Let me know what you'd like down in the comments as well. Otherwise, let's get started. So, as you can see, my pads are pretty full still. They could use a little lubing up. Make sure you don't let it hang. We're gonna take out this cotter pin, remove that castle nut and then the lock washer, and then that bearing's gonna pop out, as well as this whole hub and rotor assembly. And get some in your hand, hold the other one, and just keep pushing through. Alright, so there you have it. Brake inspection and a wheel bearing pack and a new wheel seal on my 2001 Chevy S10. Not sure if I'm going to order new brake parts yet or not. I see that they are kind of old, but they'll do for now. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos. Let me know what you like down in the comments. Otherwise, I'll see you next time.